Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this really easy rose gold eyeshadow tutorial. It's a really simple cut crease using warm tones, and I'm trying out some new products in this tutorial. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this, make sure to keep on watching. Okay guys, so today I'm starting off with this Makeup Obsession concealer. It's their new mega concealer, and I recently just got this sent to me, and it is infused with caffeine. I'm not too sure what that does, but it has it on the packaging, and I really like this concealer as an eye base. I feel like it dries like to the perfect amount, like it doesn't stay too sticky, and I just like the coverage that it gives on my eyelids. So yeah, I'm just going to use this as a base, and I'm just going to be blending that out with my sponge, and this is from Miss A. For today's eyeshadow, I'm using this Be In Love With palette, and it's again for Makeup Obsession. If you guys don't know, Makeup Obsession is like a sister brand to Makeup Revolution, which I love their products. So they just sent me this, so I wanted to try it out. I'm going in with this E130 brush from Miss A, and I'm going in with this light brown kind of orangey shade, and I'm going to apply that all over the crease. The brown shade that I'm using here is in the shade Soulmate, and I'm going to be building up the color on the outer crease. So far I like this palette. I've just created one look, which is this one, and I like the pigmentation. I feel like it has good color payoff, but I'm going to keep trying them out because they did send me 4 palettes in total. So let me know if you guys want to see more on these palettes. And also what's really awesome is that they just launched these palettes on the Target website and in stores, which is really cool because every time I order from Makeup Revolution, I do like online orders, but it's cool that now you can just go to Target and purchase these. Now I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush. It's the Morphe M513, and I'm taking the shade Treasure, which is a more peachy shade, and I'm going to use this to blend the outer parts of that eyeshadow just to give me a more gradient effect and make it look really soft and subtle. So now I'm going to go in with this more smaller tapered brush. This is the Morphe M507, and I'm going to be taking a darker brown shade and packing that on the outer crease. I'm slowly going to be packing on that darker brown shadow in the palette. I think it's like Beau or Boo, I don't know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I'm just going to be packing it on the outer part and kind of smoking it out, but mainly I want to keep it on the outer part since we are going to be doing a cut crease. You're not really going to be seeing it in the inner part of the lid, so just the outer part, and then moving it into the crease so that when we do the cut crease it is a little bit more defined. I'm also going to be going back in with the first brush that I used just to make sure that all the colors are seamless and blended together. And for the cut crease, I'm not going to be doing concealer today. I'm going to be using a little cream pot from Iconic London. I believe it's in the shade Cosmic. It's their Chrome Flash Eye Pot, and as you guys can see, it's really pigmented. I actually really love using this on myself and on clients because it's just easier to cut the crease like this because you don't have to take the extra step of using concealer. This is a good idea if you're going to do like a shimmery lid anyways. So since this is a more silver shade, I am going to be taking the more rose gold eyeshadow from the palette since this is like a rose gold eyeshadow look. But this is super easy. I feel like this whole look took me like 15 minutes or less, but I really love the way that this makes the eyes look. Also, the brush that I used to apply that was from Miss A. It's their E122 brush. As always, I'll have all the products linked down in the description box. And here I'm going in with that rose gold eyeshadow I was telling you guys about. This is in the shade Bond. And another thing that I want to mention is that when you use this eye pot, you kind of have to be careful not to apply too much product because it will kind of crack. So make sure your base is like you use as least product possible. But yeah, I still love it anyways. It looks really good on the eyes. And for lashes today, I'm using Tatti Lashes, and these are in the style TL3. I actually just recently purchased these lashes for myself and some for my clients but I seriously am in love with them. The quality is amazing. They actually really remind me a lot of the Tatti Lashes just because of how flexible they are, but you really have to be careful with the lash band because if you try to pull off the glue, like you can really fuck them up. But just be careful, and if you take good care of them, they're really amazing and they're super fluffy, which I love. But yeah, now I'm applying eyeshadow to the lower lash line. I'm just going in with the same shades that I use in my crease. For the inner corner, I'm going in with the shade Dreamer. It's just like a really pretty, kind of like a rosy gold shade, but it's brighter than the one that we used on the lids. But yeah, I'm just applying that in the inner corner, and I'm also going to apply a little bit on the eyebrow bone. So that's pretty much it for today's tutorial. I wanted to keep it really short and simple. I only did the eyes for today's look because I feel like I've been doing my entire face routine for a while. But for next video, I probably am going to include my face routine because I have a lot of new products that I've been trying out. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below what you would like to see next, and I'll see you guys in my next video.